Interesting, the tech game. I like people who are working on interesting tech. SaaSes are cool, whatever, but I like hardware, but it's way harder. I think companies that are good at hardware suck at software, and vice versa. Maybe there needs to be middlemen, and maybe that's where I'm going to live. I take existing hardware and write good software for it. Add functionality that the company never even thought about including because that's not their primary focus. I don't know. Or like as far as gaming is concerned, I think what if there was game development shops and how expensive it is to develop a game? And like what if you can go simpler? Like I remember the games I used to play, like the sports fantasy stuff, not even like sports, like sports fantasy, NBA Street Volume 2, think SSX, those kind of games, but extreme sports. And if you look at the graphics of all those, you can just make them slightly better, just improve the visuals of it just a little bit, turn it into a game. And I think it would hit. But you know, people don't make games like that. Those were fun games or racing sims or whatever. I've been thinking like it'd be funny if there existed a marketplace for 3JS games. So 3JS is a JavaScript library, but it lets you do 3D visuals. People make games out of it and stuff like that. So, and then you can have people literally develop games on their own that can be played on any device because it's all just like through a browser. That'd be pretty cool. I like accessibility. I like using existing things in interesting ways. I like taking the Nintendo approach. That's what Nintendo does. They don't develop revolutionary technology. They just use existing technology in combinations that people never thought of. Because that's how the Game Boy was developed. All the tech that was used in there just came from different things. And they decided to use existing hardware to make something that actually worked really well instead of having to build everything from scratch. And I like that approach. I like the Japanese approach there.